just love this so much.
Hi, my name's Emily. I am the founder of Food Lovers Diary.
And I'm Sarah Raffetto, 4th generation member of Raffetto's Fresh Pasta. My great-grandfather started the company, then my grandparents, Nana and Nano, took over, and now my dad and my uncle co-own the company, and I am the oldest of the 4th generation with siblings and cousins waiting in the wings.
And together we are the co-founders of Petite Pasta Joint. Petite Pasta Joint is our pasta pop-up and private events company that was started out of a mutual love for pasta. So we're super excited to share one of our signature dishes with you today. It is our spiced white ragu. This is
our favorite pasta child of the season.
Yes, it is.
Butter and cheese and cream are very reminiscent of my childhood and all things comfort.
And I am just notoriously an anti-red sauce gal. Okay, so first things first, we're going to chop up an onion, get it nice and browned. That is the base of the sauce. We love onions. I'm never too precious with onion chopping. It's gonna get soft and melty anyways. The onions are looking great. They're all like brown, melty. So next step is we like to throw our spices in. So we've got chili flakes, smoked paprika, fennel seeds, and we've got cumin. I grew up in a very paprika and cumin positive household. And next up, we've got ground beef. So we're just gonna throw this in here. We're gonna crank up the heat a little bit. We're gonna let that brown for, I don't know, how long, like 5 minutes?
Yeah.
Nothing crazy. We have some broth here that we've infused with thyme and rosemary and bay leaves. Just add a little extra herbaceousness. I pour about half the broth typically. We reserve some because if the sauce is getting too thick at the end, we like to have a little more broth to work with. So that feels good. That feels good. Okay, so we have some heavy cream. Bring this to a simmer and keep it going for about 10 minutes, during which time we're gonna get the pasta cooking.
Rosemary fettuccine is truly the best.
It is so good, but you know, since we use rosemary in the sauce, you can fake it. But the Raffetto's pasta is just so insane. The sauce and the pasta need some time to marry together to become one. So we're gonna give this just like another minute. That's why it's good to pull the pasta before it's
exactly
fully done.
Better to undercook it. So if this is 3 to 4 minutes, definitely do about 3, knowing that it's going to be continuing to cook in this hot skillet. It is the absolute best thing ever. Oh. We hope you make some of our spiced white ragu at home.
And Rachel, if you're ever around, you've always got a seat at our Petite Pasta Joint table.